we are going to mill or grind up some wheat berries. And it is loud, so get ready to plug your ears. Ready, set, go. Everyone. And the question that Titus just asked, can we see it? Are we ready? Look what you made! Isn't that amazing?
It's like flour.
Yes.
It is flour.
It is flour. It is whole wheat flour. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to make our very own take and make pancake mix. And we are going to use the flour that everyone just made. Whole wheat flour, and there are other ingredients. And this takes the place of those boxes of pancake mix that you buy. And the only ingredients will be on the recipe that you will see shortly. So be ready, we're making our take and make pancake mix. What we're going to do is add 2 cups of the whole wheat flour. So let's measure and put them into the bowl. The next thing you're going to do is put in 1 cup of rolled oats.
Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder.
And what is the next
1
ingredient?
teaspoon of baking soda.
Oh.
Teaspoons of salt.
And our next ingredient is what?
2 tablespoons of brown sugar. One teaspoon of cinnamon.
Once all ingredients are added, pour into a large Ziploc bag and shake it up. Be careful to hold the top so you do not spill.
We have our take and make pancake mix. So thank you so much, Maddie, Beck, and Titus for your time today.
You can make this mix at home and make whole wheat pancakes or pumpkin pancakes. If you're looking for any of the recipes, they are in a PDF linked in the video description below.